morning. I hate having to get up this early in the morning. There. We have to go to my Uncle Bub's today. Oh, it's still in September. I need to switch this. I don't know which day it is. I guess I'll just look on the computer.
Yeah.
Let's check what day it is today.
No way!
No way, it's October 10th? That means it's 10/10/10. Woo! Guys! What do you want, Maya? Sorry. Maya, what do you want? It's 10/10/10. Wait. The 10/10/10? Yes, of course. Oh my God. It's 10/10/10. Yoshi, it's 10/10/10. I know. I just heard him say, woo! We did a little, What, it's 10/10/10? It's 10/10/10. It's 10/10/10. Yes, it's 10/10/10. Yes, it's 10/10/10. Yes, it's 10/10/10. I hope you have a great 10/10/10 and enjoy it. I may not enjoy it because I have to go all the way out to Arkansas for my grand 70th birthday party, but I'll like it. I know it. I already know I'm going to enjoy my 10/10/10 because I'm going all the way out to Arkansas, even though that's the only part I don't like because it's going to take forever. But still, who cares? Who cares? I hope you have a great 10/10/10 like I am. I'm going to Arkansas too.